Hi guys, recently we looked at the suspicion and noticed that the breakup bushing was broken on the left side of the suspicion of the large lever. Then, to replace it, I need to disassemble the entire level completely. But before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. First of all, we need unscrew the ball nut. Then unscrew the shock absorber. Unscrew the stabilizer link bolt. Remove the spring and unscrew the suspension arm bolts. Since we don't have a press, we knock out the breaking bushing, then press a new bushing in a vise. Then, when everything is ready, put everything in reverse order. That's all guys, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.